the Sound. The only mammal rescued from the summer's algae bloom in the Sound has died. The Institute for Marine Mammal Studies breaking the news to WLOX that the baby pygmy killer whale found beached on Cat Island in September died early this morning. Mike Lacey reports that while it was sad for those who cared for it, there is good news as a result.
When the whale was found, it was in bad shape.
It had lots of problems, broken bones, during its stranding, shark bites, pneumonia, you name it, it had it.
But there was hope.
We were feeling very good about it. We were actually talking about a process to release it.
IMMS Executive Director Moby Solangi says the animal had been in intensive care since Monday under 24/7 watch after showing signs of distress.
Yes, it was very upsetting. We put a lot of effort in it. This is the second one we have ever rescued in my 40-year career. It's a rare species. But again, it's another casualty of the Bonnie Carey spillway.
Heath Crawford, animal care staff supervisor, was one of many who took care of the whale from the beginning.
I was there the night it came in, between midnight and 4 o'clock, holding him up and just making sure that he was able to breathe and doing well.
He says even though these are wild animals, there's a connection with each of them.
Your heart goes out to them, it pours out to them. So every time one passes, it hurts every time. But the good thing is, we're getting a lot of information about these animals.
In the meantime, IMMS has had a big success with turtles. 24 turtles have been under IMMS care since the disaster. All survived, and many have been released. Several of the 6 turtles currently under rehabilitation at the Gulfport Center will be released next week.
We're going to put satellite tags on them and track them to make sure that our rehabilitation is successful.
And Solangi adds that with any animal, it takes a lot of dedication to save them.
It takes an enormous amount of effort when you have to work 24/7. These animals, we have to do blood work and x-rays and ultrasounds, just like we would do with any human being.
In Gulfport, Mike Lacey, WLOX News Now.
The whale's body has now been taken to the College of Veterinary Medicine at Mississippi State for further study. Solangi says 150 dolphins and more than 200 sea turtles died as a result of the spillway.